Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session, we will implement include feature in our scripting language. At the end of the session, we will create this kind of software. Say this Apple txt, this Apple file computes some scripting language. Then it includes banana txt. This is banana txt. Then it computes this part of code. Then banana txt includes cherry txt. This is cherry txt, and then it computes this part. Then it includes peach txt. It is in subfolder like this. If we run it, then all result is computed properly. In case if we try to include recursively, for example, if Apple tried to include Apple, this is file Apple, and Apple is trying to include itself, then we will have an error message. Apple txt is already included, like this. And again, banana txt. This banana txt includes cherry, banana txt. Save it. If we run it, then banana is already included. Here it is trying to include this banana recursively. Then recursive include is detected and reports like this. To implement this application, you need to watch my previous videos, especially how to implement include using Bison and Flex, and these two videos. Also, you need to watch other videos, my previous video, especially scripting language template solution 12, debugging to location tracking. And please click this link. Then we also need to download one more files from this YouTube video. Also download this from this YouTube video. Simple. Return. Download the source code here. So you have to basically download two source code to follow with me. When download is complete, please unzip the downloaded files like this. Then also this file. Then rename the folder 13. Then in this folder, tmp stack, copy this file and paste it to here. No, not here. In include folder. Then copy the whole folder to our working folder. Please copy and paste to our working folder. Now open it in Visual Studio. Before we proceed, we need to make a few changes. In the Solution Explorer, right-click, Properties, make sure all configuration, all platforms selected. In General, click this. Solution dir, include, then slash, okay. Then apply. Then click console app. Here, click this icon. Solution dir. include other file like this, also like this. Click OK, apply. Once again, code editor. Okay, it's done properly. Now click OK. Then in Solution Explorer again, Lex L, scroll down. We made a mistake here. We have to fix like this. Save it. Now rebuild all. Right click. No, Control F5. Control F5. Our solution should build and run like this. Then close it. In parser.y, scroll down here, constant W character T, file name ptr, and here std W string file name. Modify like this, save, then right click, compile, then generated source file, right click, compile. Now in class view, CPP Parser Manager, click any member function here, open this file, then Control F7. Then here, double click this line, then we have to fix it. PEM file name CSTR, fixed like this, then Control F7 again. No, we have to remove this ampersand, save, then Control F7 again. Okay, it should build. Then in this file, click this function. We need to ptr file name. So we have to add this, we have to fill this. Before we fill this, save it. Then click Parser Manager, double click it. Here we are going to define SG struct. This will be file entry, file, and file name, file ptr std W string file name. Now save it. We need to include tmp stack.h. Save it. In Solution Explorer, header, right click, add existing, scroll up here, open tmp stack, then double click it. We are going to make a few changes here. Namespace talk play fun, like this, change like this, then save. We now close it here. Here talk play fun step. We are adding this file entry here, m file entry, save it. Then we need to access this file like this. Here file push file constant w character t file name like this. Then size t pop file, okay, and also std w string get file name like this. 3 functions. Copy, then paste here. I will implement this function first. If this m file entry empty, return. If it is empty, then we return empty string. Otherwise, this m file entry top file name fixed like this. Now we will implement this function first. Auto fe if this m file entry empty, it means not empty, then auto fe this m file entry top here. If fe file ptr, then f close fe file ptr, okay, like this. Then return this m file size, save it. We haven't implemented it yet, but we will implement it very soon. And here we will add one more function, void cleanup file entry. We are cleaning up file entries here. We use this function while this pop file save it. Then in constructor destructor, this is destructor, we say cleanup file entry. save it, revo. Now we will implement this function. Copy, cut, and move to run. Right before run, double click this function. We will be putting here. And I will have one more parameter. YYL type LOC null PTR. Copy. Like this. Save it. Then we will copy this code, this part of code, and paste it here. We don't need this. Save it. Push error message. We will modify pushback error message here. We can now say this get file name, okay, save it, go back to push file back here. Then we are passing LOC. Say file name should not be null and null PTR. If fails, we return null PTR. Here we don't need it. Now after file is successfully opened, failed to open file here, std w string wo string stream wos. Now we have to include header file here, include stream, like this. Save it. Now compile this stdafx once. Okay, then come back here, wos file, so you say failed to open file, it will be file name, you can say it like this. Then here wos str then loc, it returns null PTR. At this point we failed opening the file, so we return here. Now we handle byte ordering mark, then this file entry push. We are pushing here. This should be input file pointer, then it should be file name. File name is file name, like this. Then we return input file. Now we can modify this part. So we can do if this is push file, then file name, it means if fails it returns null pointer, but it means it succeeded in opening file. Then we probably need this. We don't need this. Here we initialize scanner lyn, then try catch, then you can copy this text, then this pop file. Because we push the file here, we push the file pointer here. If successful, then we have to pop here. Then we can remove this part. Then here we can put this pushback error message, exception thrown. We will fix like this. Then program ends. I will change it something easier. Here, input file. I will fix like this. Now let's build. Control F7. Let's compile. Okay. Now save all. Parser. Rebuild. Now in code editor, class view, here, on commands run in process here. Then you can fix like this: gc new clr string here, em, this is em file name ptr, like this. Save it. Now Control F5. Now close it. I made one mistake. Go to pop file. It should be pop. Okay, we should fix like this. At this line. Save it. Then Control F5. Now open a sample file. Open. and release en. Now if we run it, then we should see something like this. Say this part runs properly, then it has syntax error here, then line 8 here, column 28, column 27 to 28, it means here, and is unexpected. Now file name should display it properly. Now close it. Now I will copy some code that I prepared in advance. About this code, I will explain in some other videos. Please open here, character convert, this file. I copy this enumeration, then some functions. These functions are actually has nothing to do with the parsing. These are handling path names. I will explain about these things in some other video. And in this file here, I pasted some files, save, and I missed one file, one function. Now compile, Ctrl F7. Okay. Now close all. Open Lexer. Now we are dealing with some. We first need to include character convert.h, save, then here this is exclusive start condition. About start condition, I talked in previous video, in some other video. Then we need to add a keyword include. I will define it here. KW include. Include will start with sharp symbol and 0 like this. Then copy it several times. Then I N C L U D E include. Let's check. Sharp I N C L U D E. Okay, save it. Here after letter, we can put it anywhere. Actually, I will put it here. KW keyword INCLUDE. Then begin SX INCL INC include. Let's see. SX include. Okay. Then SX INC here. This means any character. Any character means any two character excluding new line. So here any char 2 or more we first declare std double string inc include file name. I will name like this. Then talk play fun inc file type. See file type. About this macro, this type is actually I copy and pasted. I will show you. This is inc file type. This is enumeration. Then talk play fun. We are calling a function get inc include file name. Then text, then inc file name. It returns file type, include file type, and include file name like this. Then we should convert it to constant wide character t like this. If file type is not talk play fun inc file type fail, here file input file talk play fun. No, this is extra push file. Extra is an instance that we sent to lex. This is C parser manager. extra means C parser manager. C parser manager has function called push file. This function. We are actually calling this function here. inc file name. We have to pass wide character t, then llloc like this. If input file, it means we opened the file successfully. Then in input file, then auto scan buffer create buffer, then in, then buff size, then scanner, then push buffer state. Yeah, scan buffer we created here. Scanner. About this part, please watch my previous video about include file implementation using Bison and Flex. Now at this point here, begin initial. Now we are restoring state. Then save it. Then here EOF end of file condition. Now we pop. This means end of file. Pop buffer state YY scanner if YY current buffer if not YY current buffer, then YY terminate, else YY extra pop file. Okay, now Control F7. Okay, lexical scanner built. Now we compile lexical scanner. This talk play fun. Save it. Now Control F7 again. Now compile. Okay, now build a library. Now Control F5. Now close it. We need to make one more changes. Now in code editor, in class view, code editor here, on commands run in process, we need to make a change here. Talk play fun, get file name, get string, then C string, like this. Now save it. Now Control F5 once again. Okay, now let's test some programs. I made two files. Apple 6 display apple, then include banana 4 banana display, then apple plus banana, like this. Save it to here, banana, and save it here, apple txt. Okay, now banana txt. We can do like this. Save. Now run it. This is apple txt. Okay, close it. We will fix this issue. And here std double string file name path name like this. Then file name talk play fun split. This is, we should put this path. Then path name like this. We are splitting paths, and we are splitting the path and the file name like this. Then we set current directory like this. Then path name cstr, we set path name. Then we can now run it here. File name like this. So if we want to test it, we can test like this. File name cstr c string msg format full name %s then file name %s, no, we will do path name then file name here p dot get path name cstr file name cstr. Then AFX message box MSG. Now Control F5. Okay, we open this file. Now let's run it. So full path name is like this, full path name. Then this is path name, release. Then Apple is this file name. So it runs successfully. We will delete it. Disable this part. Okay, now we build once again, Control F5. Okay, we run it once again. Now it runs successfully. If we make syntax error here. For example, unknown name, undefined name here. If we put it here, then save, and we click this one again, run. Then syntax error, undefined name. This is at line 4, column 1829, this part. In file banana, it gives exact error message like this, and I will remove it. Please note that we are include apple txt. Save it. Please note that apple txt include banana include apple, so it is recursively including each other, and it causes system crash. Let's run it. Failed to open file. It actually failed to include. It includes recursively like this. So we will fix this issue. To fix that, in parser, lib parser here, open this function, this file. We will fix it here. Public type def, type name, std, dq, t, iterator, iterator. Once again, constant iterator. We define like this. Save it. Then we define two function, iterator, begin, return, c, begin, 1, then iterator, end, return, c, end, like this. Then constant iterator, c, begin, constant, then return, c, begin, c, begin. Once again, constant iterator, c, end, constant, return, c, end. Okay, we define the iterators like this. Save it. Then with this, we can implement a function like this. Here. Double click it. Bool is in file entry, copy this function, this name, then get file name, get file name here, paste, Now here for auto FE, it can be this M file entry if FE, sorry, we need to check, we need file name here, std w string file name like this, file name return true. std w string file name like this here, then return false. So it is checking if the file name already exists in our file entry stack. Then save it, then push file here, push file here, and we are checking before we open file, we check if this is file in entry. This can be file name, then file already exists. In this case, file already exists. This std wo string wos file file name is already included. Then this pushback error message wos str okay, str, then loc, then return null ptr like this. Now save it, then Ctrl F5. It prevents recursive file include. Now open it, open another one. These are recursively including. Now run it. See, apple.txt is already included here. First 6 is displayed here, 6 is displayed, then banana 4 is displayed, then apple banana is displayed, then it tried to include apple again, then it detects file apple.txt is already included in line 6, column 9 to 22 in file banana here. So this way we can detect a recursive include. Also, if we put it, for example, apple txt, if we try to include recursively, then it is detected like this. But if we don't include recursively banana txt, then I will create another file, fruits, apple, banana, 10 fruits. Then I save it. Let's check. Let's put it in the same folder. This is in release folder, so I will put it in release folder. Here, here, here. I will say fruits, fruits. So it includes fruits, txt. Then save it. Now let's run it. Then apple 6 is displayed here, and banana is included. Banana 4 is displayed, and apple banana 10 is displayed, and it includes the fruits. In fruits, apple 6, banana 4, then plus 10, then it is 20. 20 is displayed. This way and if we try to here include, for example, banana txt, then it will give us error message from here. Then it says in fruits txt, line 55, column 923 here, banana is already included. So this program detects recursive include. This way we can implement how to include files in our scripting language. Complete source code is in download link below. Please subscribe. I will create lots of cool videos. Thank you for watching.